Launch control. Haha! Oh boy! This is me in a 1 out of 333 Audi R8 GTs. You know, sometimes I really wonder how I got myself here. Look, this is the story of how my obsession with cars has pretty much led me to this point. My wagon has practically paid for itself, but I now find myself miles away from home working with Audi. You see, back in 2020 when I decided to get my Audi RS3, I told myself that if I was going to bring cars into the channel, they needed to generate us money, and the ultimate goal has been to raise Audi's attention in order to work with them. Through trial and error, we've eventually been able to build a portfolio, and a lot of car companies have allowed for us to represent them and produce content for them. They've sponsored a lot of our work, we've generated quite a lot of viewership with all the cool car videos we've been able to make, and we've created really cool relationships. But today is the day I've been chasing for a while, because, ladies and gentlemen, after all that work and energy we've put out there, we've got flown by Audi to work with them on this new experience.
And I'll be yours forevermore.
6:42 a.m. We're heading to Toronto. Then we're taking a plane where you can only fit 9 people. This is the first time ever in my freaking life I get to fly like this. Oh my god, this guy was moving the propellers with his hand.
The door will stay open. You can just ask us.
So we're on a small propeller plane and we are going to Goodrich, Ontario.
I'm sorry. There I go making yet another mistake.
So I guess welcome to Goodrich, Ontario. Look at this fleet. The guys came to get us in these cars: Q4, RS6 Avant, and RS7 Performance. It's so freaking cool. Shout out to my driver, super nice guy from Estonia. He actually launched the RS6 for us. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Anyways, look, we got invited to this venue, okay, where this beautiful house stood by the middle of it, in which Audi decided to brief us about some of the things we were going to do that day, and that included, that included driving lots of cars for us, with the R8 being one of them. So, alright, so two cars I really want to drive, RS7 Performance and the R8 GT. As you guys know, R8 GT is the last R8 ever. Very sad. They're also very limited. Very hard to get one, and I'm almost sure production is done for that car, and I have it right here in front of me. R8 GT. Expecting them letting me drive the R8 GT off the bat. Let me give you guys the big picture as to what exactly is going on here, okay? About 3 weeks before this, Audi reached out by email. I've been trying to contact them for about 3 to 4 years now in order to work with them, and we've gone back and forth between them liking my posts, me giving them more hints, but finally I was able to really grab their attention. You see, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know I'm a big Audi guy. My first Audi was a 2019 Audi RS3. A year after me acquiring my RS3, I decided to bite the bullet and get my dream car, a 2023 RS6 Avant with no mileage. And all of this time, I've been creating content with the cars, trying to get Audi to work with us until today. You see, Audi decided to bring us here in order for us to test their latest RS models as well as some of their latest electric models. And when they said RS, I was like, wait a minute, what? And then the R8 GT came up into the conversation, and I think I got so excited in front of them that without me really knowing, they reserved the R8 GT for me to be able to drive it first, as much as I wanted to.
Super cool because they know we're like huge car guys, and instead of bringing us back here after the driving and everything like that, we're gonna get to stay there and just play with the cars, have fun, and just do our thing, because I came here for the cars. Even though this is really nice, I want to drive cars.
So they blocked off a road, huh?
Yeah, apparently they blocked off a road, so they made like this circuit for us to like drive around.
So yeah, the circuit. Audi Canada actually worked with some of the local PD in order to close a patch of road, a long patch of road where we had a few stretches and a nice wide turn to push the cars.
I'm just cooling. So I'm gonna.
Yeah. Yeah, rip it once we're at it.
When they let me rip it, I'll rip it. We're gonna get to go on a proper drive. I'll take you guys and we'll do something proper. They were just showing us the circuit.
Okay, so here's how this was going to go. We had a few cars at our disposal, and I'm talking about the R8 GT, R6 Avant, R7 Performance, the Audi SQ8 Sportsback e-tron, the Q4 e-tron, the Audi e-tron GT, and its more powerful brother, the Audi RS e-tron GT. And at any time we wanted, we could hop on and off these cars and just drive away. Of course, the first car I wanted to really give a proper run was the R8 GT, mainly because it's the last one of its kind with a naturally aspirated V10 engine outputting 602 horsepower. It's a car for the racetrack, a car that was designed with a very unique carbon aero kit paired with the performance sports suspension and the lightweight front carbon fiber sway bar. The R8 GT, 1 out of 333, is literally the last one of its kind.
All right, last gen R8 GT. Sadly, it's the last gen. Such a nice car. Okay, so back again in the R8. Cannot wait. There's nothing like a naturally aspirated V10 engine. All right, last time I drove an R8, it was, I believe, in 2018. 2017 Gen 2 R8 V10 Plus with the Le Mans package. I absolutely love that car in Suzuka Gray. That was like, oh my God, it was so nice to drive. It was a dream car of mine. And now I get to drive the R8 GT, the last of its kind. Let's give it the full thing with this car. Let's go on dynamic and let's go manual. There you go. Oh, I love the sound of this car. You can really hear the engine in the back. Oh, lightning fast shifts. It's incredible. It's so good. Instantaneous shifts, and you really feel the power delivery kick in even more, the torque towards 6,000 RPM, which is just absolutely beautiful. And we give it power as we're going out. Oh, I cannot believe this car's going away. Launch control. Haha. exhausts are so viscerous. They're so like aggressive. Oh man, it's unbelievable. I'll take this curve right here. Nice and slow. We're gonna slow down and we're gonna rip it as we go out here. Almost 9,000, 8,500, the limiter. It's pure V10 sound. You don't need any radio or music or anything like that. Absolutely love it. We're gonna go film a bit more. All right, guys, so e-tron GT, but this is the RS model. Electric cars are crazy when it comes to torque. Accelerate out. Brake here. Slow. Okay, that. Oh, wow. That's nuts.
RS e-tron GT, 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. It's practically a car with 637 horsepower, instant torque. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you guys have ever seen one in person, but this is like the ultimate RS electric daily. In 22.5 minutes, you can get a 5 to 80% charged battery. I think that's very nice.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the car I've been wanting to drive as well, apart from the R8 GT, the RS7 Performance. Oh, wow. Oh my God.
RS7 Performance with a very nice carbon package, monster of a car. 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds, but trust me, from experience, these feel more like in the 3-second range. V8 twin turbo engine producing 621 horsepower. Nothing beats having the Quattro Sport Wheel differential. It has the ability to transfer power to the appropriate wheel while cornering, and when pushing it, you can really feel it.
Okay guys, we are trying the SQ8 Sportback e-tron. 3 motors, 1 in the front, 2 in the rear. It has torque vectoring. I'm excited. Oh, this is cool. This is nice. I like the red interior actually. It's very nice. I'm 5'7". I gotta go. There. So 0 to 60, 4.6 seconds. Like I said, triple motor, 1 in the front, 2 in the back. The torque in this car is instantaneous. I'm very excited to feel it. Torque vectoring, as I'm going to be taking the curb coming back from this little circuit, we are going to be experiencing that. Right now, I want to punch it a bit. I'm in dynamic. Let's try it.
Jeez.
Oh,
Wow.
very nice for SUV.
Yeah, surprising.
This is the e-Quattro system. Of course, e-electric. Audi is known for the Quattro system since 1980, so that's awesome to see, awesome to know. I myself, as an Audi owner, I love Quattro. I mean, in the winter for us, it's absolutely amazing. And I can't imagine having a car like this in the winter. Electric, it's awesome. SUV, high, you ride high up. It's cool. All right, we're gonna go here. We're gonna give it the full chancla. Battery's ready. Let's go. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. For SUV, this can move, man.
Yeah, this moves.
Yeah, this moves. This part of the circuit right here, this is where they allow us to slow down all the way to 20 kilometers an hour towards the end of the corner, so we can really experience the car sort of accelerating out of the corner, right? It's very well thought out. I really like that. So we're gonna slow down. The end of the corner is coming, and we're gonna punch it. Oh, look at this. Wow.
Wow.
We are back, baby. Super cool, super fun. What a vibe. Such a nice venue. You know, super nice venue, absolutely lovely. All the cars are here. e-tron GT over there, and another one right there. Of course, the one we got to drive, but absolutely beautiful. Likewise. Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate it. It was great meeting you. All the best to you.
chat.
We'll see you.
Yeah. See you on the camera.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, man. Take care, man. Thank you. What a day. Literally a dream day. I was not expecting so much freedom with the R8 GT and like even like the RS7 performance and the RS6 and all the GT cars. Like, wow, it was unbelievable. But just picking up my stuff right here. This is crazy, man. Like for the longest time, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get an Audi. I'm gonna work for it, make content with it, and hopefully the brand can notice it and the car can like pay itself, like make sense for the channel, sustain itself, and it does. It really does. I'm amazed that, you know, Audi literally brought us here for a whole experience. You know, after I worked so hard to like have them notice us, you know, buying the car and being like, okay, we gotta make content with it and just make the car make sense for the channel. It's crazy. It's crazy the way things work. I'm very happy. It's an insane experience.